Trent used 2 longs to show 2 tenths. How many small cubes would he need to show the same decimal? So here I have 2 models, and it's asking me to tell me what he would need to use the small cubes to show as many as this. So in order to do that, I'm noticing that it's 2 columns, and I would shade in, using my model here, 2 columns. And then I would go about answering the question with counting how many small cubes. So we know that 2 tenths, which I will mark right here, is the same as 20 hundredths, especially when you put your imaginary 0 in there. And that imaginary 0 helps you to see it. So now let's look at our answer choices. 2 rods, 2 longs is what it's called here, are equivalent to 20. So I'm looking for not 10, not 100, and not 200. So the answer choice is G.